Hello children. Hello everybody. Good morning. Today we will discuss more about doing words. We have already learned doing words. Doing words are many. Today we will discuss doing words changes with time. A doing word changes with time. We will discuss how they change with time. Why they change with time. What is the relation of doing word with time? We will discuss. Verb lesson is 6 for grade 3. We know doing words say about work. So one day when the father asked children, what do you work do? What work do you do in a day? We play, read, write, eat, jump, hop. Children so many things. Okay, you do so many things. So we will take up your favorite work, eat, and your favorite work, play. So let's discuss about work, play, and work, eat. Father asked the children at the noon hour, what are you doing now? Now we are, children said, at the noon hours, father asked children, at noon, father asked children, what are you doing now? Children said, now we are eating lunch. When they were all on the dinner table eating lunch, this was the discussion between father and children. And what did you eat in the morning? Children said, in the morning we ate breakfast. What will you do eat at night? Then children said, at night we will eat dinner. These are the sentences children said about the work eat. Then father asked, in the evening hours at the playtime, what are you playing today now? What are you doing today? Today, what are you playing today? Today, children said, today we are playing cricket. We are playing cricket. What did you play yesterday? Children said, yesterday we played Kho. What will you play tomorrow? Children said, tomorrow we will play hockey. So when the children said all these sentences, mother noted down on a board. In the evening, the parents and children, they sat down to discuss how they used the doing word. The first father asked, what was the work? Work was play. Now, what doing word should we use? Doing word is also play. We use doing word play to say work, play. This is same thing. Search for your doing word play in your sentences, said father. Children searched for the word play. Oh, we have made something wrong. Where is the word play? It's not there. It's okay. Can you search for the word eat? Eat. What is your doing word for work, eat? For work, eat. Doing word is eat. we use doing word eat to say the work eat. Then can you search the word eat in your sentence? Then again these children searched. No, the word eat is not there. Something different is there. What is that? Then now the children recalled. They recalled what they learned. So many doing words are there. What are they? They recalled their lesson V2, and then they thought confirmed. They could get the confidence that yes, these are the doing words. We have done the correct thing. We have said in a correct way. These are really doing words. These are all doing words as per our lesson work 2. These are doing words. Then why? Where is that eat? Where is that play? Then father said, okay, let's discuss. You have done the right thing, but you should know the rules. What are they? What is when? When did you play Kho? Yesterday. When did you play? When are you playing cricket? Today. When will you play hockey? Tomorrow. So they saw that time is different. Time of what? Time of work. Time of work is different. Time of work is different. So doing words, they found that doing word is different. They could understand that when time word is different, doing words also different. Then they came to the work eat. In the morning. What is the time? In the morning. We ate breakfast. What is the time? At noon. What is the time? Now. We are eating lunch. What is the time? At night. We will eat dinner. So time of work changed in each case. Time of work changed. They found that the doing words are also changed. How they changed? They got that play, doing word play became played. Doing word play became playing. Doing word play became will play. Here it is are playing. Doing word eat became ate. Doing word eat became are eating. And doing word eat became will eat. So each sentence has different time, and the work and the verb word is also different. This verb word which is originally to be used changed to these words. We say it, we have modified. We say we have modified. We have modified the verb word. We say that we have modified the verb word.
Pause the video, look at these questions and write the answers in your notebook.
Here also the word eat is modified to ate, are eating. These are modified. Here also it is modified. They could understand that to say work in different times, we modify the verb word. Modify the verb, the doing word. And we know doing words are verbs. We have learned in lesson 5. So we modify the verb words and use that modified form, that modified verb, modified.
Now check your answers. Feel free to go back and review the content if needed.
Verb. Children could understand this. And we know that doing words, here there are being words and doing words together. We know that being words and doing words are verbs. We know that being words and doing words are verbs. Are verbs. Here we got that we modify the verbs. We modify the verbs to say work in different time. We use modified verb to say work in different time. This children learned very clearly. Okay, thank you. Next time we'll learn much more.
Click here to look at the next video. And click here to look at the previous video. Click here to look at the whole playlist. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.